Have you ever wondered how Wi-Fi works? How does a wireless signal carry information to your device? These are valid questions, and to answer them, we need to look at Wi-Fi. It's a wireless networking protocol, a set of rules, if you will, that allows devices to communicate without the need for direct cable connections. It's like a secret language that our devices use to chat with each other. Well, it's not magic, but it is quite ingenious. Ready to dive in? To understand Wi-Fi, we need to talk about waves. Not the ocean kind, but radio waves. Imagine invisible waves traveling through the air, carrying information from one device to another. That's essentially what Wi-Fi does, using radio waves as its vehicle. These waves have certain characteristics that dictate how they travel and what information they can carry. Key among these are frequency and amplitude. Frequency refers to how often the wave oscillates in a second, while amplitude is about the strength or power of the wave. Wi-Fi operates primarily on two frequency bands, the 2.4 GHz band and the 5 GHz band. Different types of information are encoded onto these waves through a process known as modulation. This is a bit like Morse code, but for radio waves. By adjusting the wave's properties, we can translate our digital data into a form that can ride these radio waves. So, Wi-Fi is really just a sophisticated game of wave manipulation. Now, how does this all come together when you're streaming your favorite series or sending an email? Let's break it down. Imagine your device as a person in a crowded room shouting out a request. This request is a signal that travels through the air to your Wi-Fi router. The router, like a translator, takes this request and communicates it to the internet. The internet, a vast library of information, finds what your device requested and sends it back to the router. Our translator, the router, then takes this information and broadcasts it back to your device. This back-and-forth communication, similar to a conversation at lightning speed, happens in fractions of a second. So next time you're binge-watching your favorite show or sending a quick email, remember this intricate dance of signals happening behind the scenes, all thanks to Wi-Fi. And there you have it, the complex yet fascinating process of how Wi-Fi works, making our lives connected and convenient. Wi-Fi, despite its complexity, is a crucial part of our daily lives. It's a marvel of modern science, a symphony of invisible signals dancing between our devices and the internet. We've explored how it uses radio waves to transmit data and how these waves are decoded into the digital information we use every day. It's a fascinating process and one that's happening right now, right under our noses. Next time you connect to a Wi-Fi network, remember the amazing science that's making it all possible.